what's up? Welcome to my first vlog. And now we arrive in Kanto Lampo Waterfall, so you can see. And they have a wide parking area. If you want come by motorcycle or by car, it's easy to park here because they have a wide parking area, so you can see. And now let's go to the waterfall. Hey, what's up guys? Before you go to the waterfall, you must comply with the health protocols such as washing your hand and checking your body temperature. Alright guys, before you go to the waterfall, you can buy the ticket like this. This only 20,000 rupee per person. So, and now you can go to the waterfall. Let's go. Alright, so the Kanto Lampo waterfall is one of the favorite destinations for tourists in Bali guys, because it has unique waterfall characteristic compared to other waterfalls. So it is about 30 km from downtown Denpasar, not so far guys from Denpasar, located in the village of Bang, Gianyar district, Bali. Before the coronavirus, the ticket price for adult local tourists was 30,000 Indonesian rupee and children 15,000 Indonesian rupee, and for adult foreign tourists 50,000 Indonesian rupee and children 25,000 Indonesian rupee, and since corona has been 20,000 Indonesian rupee guys. Alright guys, this waterfall is open every day from 8 AM until 5 PM. Access to the waterfall down several steps not too far from the parking location. There are several facilities here such as toilets, changing rooms, parking for car and motorbikes, as well as stalls selling food and souvenirs. Alright guys, so you can see the waterfall here, and this waterfall is 15 meters high. You can enjoy the natural atmosphere in here, and the view around this waterfall so natural as you can see. So this waterfall is a bit different with the other waterfall because there are so many big stones in the waterfall. As you can see, you can be careful, and it is Instagrammable place, so you can see it is good for you take who want to take some a great shot for social media. You can climb up there to take a picture, but it is a little bit dangerous guys and very slippery, so be careful if you want to take a picture in here. Be careful guys. Alright guys, for the various activities can be done here, such as playing water and taking picture. This waterfall has stone walls that are sloping and unique. This waterfall is very beautiful flow of the water guys. Wow, so beautiful. Visitor can be also climb the stone step to take the best photo spot to upload in social media. So don't forget to come here guys. Hey, what's up? Alright guys, I have finished to visit Kanto Lampo waterfall, and this waterfall is a very amazing and one of the best waterfall in Bali. So you just spend 20,000 for the ticket to visit a waterfall. And if you are in Bali, don't forget to visit this amazing waterfall. And thank you so much for watching my video, and see you. Bye bye.